Hey everyone. So, I recently went on a hiking trip for the very first time, and when I was going on this hiking trip, I had this ambition that I was gonna record everything, vlog everything, and then I returned home and saw that I recorded absolutely nothing. And I did record some clips, and if you're wondering what this is just some park that I'm recording at because I couldn't record any clips there, so I have to record an intro here now. But when I checked my camera, I did record some clips apparently. To be honest, I don't remember recording them because I was just taking pictures and stuff. I don't remember recording clips, but I have so many clips recorded and I don't think they make any sense. So in this video, I am just going to brute force it and we are going to go through all those clips and see even if they are useful or even if they make sense. I'll try to explain what happened on the trip according to those clips, but I won't guarantee anything. So this is that video of me going through the clips I recorded on my first ever hiking trip. But first, some intros. Let me introduce you to the squad. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's click on this one. This is me finally trying to figure out what's the capacity of my mouth. That's such an unhinged thing to say, like in the start of the video. We are not even 2 minutes in. But we need to pause for a second because I need to explain to you what is happening in this clip. So I think it's just a guy thing where we just have to do dumb stuff. This is us in the bus and for some reason we bought these cheese balls and I decided that I'm gonna see how many I could fit in my mouth. And this is that clip, and then after I did it, my friend decided to do it as well and it became kind of a challenge, and trust me, half the bus was watching us doing this. And you can see my friends, instead of stopping me, they're telling me where I could fit more of them. I think I decided to stop at 8 in the end. I couldn't, even if I tried, I couldn't have fit more in my mouth. But then and I just want you to pay attention to the guy in the background. And he was having the time of his life. He didn't want to make it obvious that he was looking at us, but he was for sure looking at us. Asim in the end was, I think, able to fit 10 in his mouth. But the guy on his right, one of my other friends, Ahmed, he kept saying that he only did 9 and he almost got killed by Asim. You will just see in a bit Asim just choking the shit out of Ahmed because he kept saying that you only did 9 and not 10. Yep, there it is. Here it comes. Yep. And in this clip, after eating the food, I decided to not only give a chef's kiss, but I decided to kiss the chef instead. Just a fair warning that nothing really happened after that clip. After that, the only clip I recorded was when we reached our first destination, that was Mansehra. And in this destination, we were just waiting for to catch our next bus, and I decided to ask my friend to record me squatting one of our other friends, Ahmed, and this is the clip of that. I told him to pan down when I do the squat and he didn't fucking do it. He had one job, but I was able to do 2 squats, and if you see my face you will think I'm struggling, but later on I did 5 of them without any issues. Don't you dare in the comments say that I'm weak. I'm very, very strong. Okay, so in this clip, it might look like someone is just recording me randomly, but for some reason I thought it would look cool, just me talking nonchalantly like there's no camera on me, and I just asked my friend to record me like that. But let me tell you, let me be real with you, it does not look like, I do not look cool in that clip. If anything, that's the kind of clips you see in movies when a stalker is stalking someone and he's trying to hide away and trying to record them. After that, pretty much our main leg of the journey was starting. We reached our destination, which was in Kivai, and then from there we had to go into the middle of Sharan forest. You have to scale up a mountain on a jeep, and then there is this clearing that people have made there, and you can just camp out there for the night. and that's where the hike for Manchi Top begins, which was our main goal. And we had to go through these very narrow roads, and sometimes the jeep driver would get so close to the damn edge, and honestly it was absolutely horrifying. But then after scaling that mountain and reaching Sharar forest, we decided to get one of these wooden huts there, and this is where the hike for Manchi Top begins from. So we decided to rest for a while, and after that finally began our hike to Manchi Top. The hike to Manchi is considered to be a beginner to intermediate hike, and this was my first hike ever in my life. And it has two sections, Manchi 1 and Manchi 2. You can go up to Manchi 1 and then decide if you want to go up to Manchi 2. But trust me, if you guys do this, go up to Manchi 2, because Manchi 1 is nothing compared to Manchi 2. But when we started the hike, it was all very good. We were enjoying ourselves, but instantly, maybe it was because it was my first time really high up in the clouds, and it was an oxygen issue because oxygen levels are really low up there. I started to have really bad breathing problems like 10 minutes into the hike, and after I started to have breathing problems, I couldn't really breathe from my nose. I don't know if my cardio is shit, I don't know what the problem was, but to be honest, it was really bad, and I thought maybe I couldn't do the hike. But my friends encouraged me, the guide who was with us encouraged me as well, and we decided to continue. And I am so glad. It was so worth it, because it was all so damn beautiful. I have always in my life wanted to go on hikes, and this just made me even more excited to do a lot more hikes, and a lot tougher ones in the future as well, because I absolutely love it. Going for the hike, we are almost at the last stretch, going to Manchi 2 now. Our guide has been telling us that it's just 10 minutes away for the past hour. I feel like he's just lying to us, but somehow we are still making it. I am completely dying. I completely overestimated how good my cardio was, but let's see. We still ball. Either we die or either we complete the hike. That's just it. The only way. Why the fuck am I shooting this guy's back? This is finally the moment of truth. We are finally here. I am absolutely hammered shit out of my mind, and there it is. Never mind, dude. Holy fuck, there's more. Oh my god, kill me. Kill me. Okay guys, for the third time, this seems to be it. The final stretch. I am still dying, but hey, let's go. I think our tour guide has lied to us for the 100th time that we are almost there. But holy shit. Holy my. Oh my god. And there it is. Is it? Wait. Is it not? Oh my god. What the fuck? You guys are dying. But dude, worth it. The view is insane. Hell yeah. I won't cuck you this time. That's actually it. This flag you can see in the distance, that's actually, we just have a little bit more to go. And my god, as I don't appreciate my tour guide lying the shit out of us. Like, he just kept lying. He just kept saying 10 minutes away, 10 minutes away. He did get us here though. Even though we were dying in the start as well, he did somehow get us up to here. And I kind of appreciate that, man. Good for that guy. Good for him. Well, I'll get back to you. I'll see you guys on the top. I'll give you guys the final reveal this time. For real this time. Me telling you the final time that we are there. It's just right there. Yep. There. Oh my god, I can't do it. And wait for the reveal. Wait for the reveal. And there it is. We are above the clouds, boys. First hike of my life, boys. Done and dusted. Yay, boys. Boys! 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 Yeah! Finally at the sitting area where you can just sit, eat stuff, have fun, and just look out. I mean, there is a reveal to show here, and I'm gonna probably just show it to you. You can just hear my friends freaking out right over there, and I'm just going to record some clips with my camera and not with my mobile, and I'll just show you what we are seeing. This is my exact view, and it's honestly it's surreal right now. I don't even know how to feel. That is it. That those are all the clips I recorded for this trip. When planning the trip and when we decided to go on the trip together with my friends, I thought that I would be able to record a lot more, but to be honest, when going there with friends, I just was like lost in the sauce, and I just didn't even remember to record. I was just having so much fun, and we were just messing around and we were laughing and just having fun together, I think. And I don't regret not recording more clips because it was a very fun trip. I enjoyed it so much, and I feel like we still got a good amount of clips and pictures. I didn't, of course, didn't show you the pictures, but we got a good amount of clips that we still could make the video, and I could share the experience with you all as well. And I have always in my life wanted to go on hikes. We did face a little bit of issues regarding my breathing problem when we did start the hike, and I did feel sad for that a bit because I didn't know that would happen to me or I would face that kind of problem. But regardless, we did finish the hike, and still it was so much fun. And if you're still watching the video, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for showing me support in any way, shape or form. And I have a lot more videos planned, a lot more different kind of videos planned, some challenges, because you guys seem to like that a lot as well. So yeah, that would be it from me. Thank you all for all your support. Thank you for watching me. And it was a very beautiful and fun trip, and I hope I can share more experiences with you guys later on. Bye.